So in the Trimble Business Center Viewer Edition, or the Viewer, you had the ability to export data out to different file types, mainly to Trimble devices, whether it's a controller or a machine. So there was some limited exporting capabilities to support the Trimble hardware. Now, with the Field Data Edition, it opens you up to a lot more exporting functionality. So if you go to the export command on the Home tab, you'll be able to export to multiple different file formats, notably the DWG or DXF, different survey file formats, different construction file formats. The full list is in the feature matrix, and you can see here there's about 30 different file types that you can export out with the Field Data Edition. So LAZ point clouds, DWG like we mentioned, DC road format, ESRI Shapefile format, Google Earth KML, KMZ format, and a whole bunch more. So you can see here these are the file formats that can be exported out with the Field Data Edition.